and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Dress to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way. Looking in the mirror at myself like who that? Swag on 1,000 and my girls got my back. We just wanna party, call me tequila shawty. We just wanna party, yeah, yeah. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. You can bring your friends, we won't mind it. We just came to dance and go all night long. The look in your eyes, you can't hide it. Ooh, baby, I know I turn you on. When my friends pull around and they got the top down, on our way, yeah. We're on our way. Turn that music up, you know we don't give a what. On our way, yeah. We're on our way. Pull up to the party like my name is the life. Tension so thick, you could cut with a knife. Ask me how I do that. Been fly since way back. Ask me how I do that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright, love, so first I want to say happy holidays. I'm going to try to remember to say that in most of my videos. This is the holiday season, honey, so shout out to the holidays. I also want to say that I want to give a subscriber shout out. You guys know in units that I do purchase with my own coins, I like to give you guys subscriber shout outs. Today's subscriber shout out is gonna go to my girl AW. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. I see you in the comments sounding off all the time, and I want you to know that I appreciate the love and support. If you want a subscriber shout out, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like the video or dislike the video. I guess the dislikes don't matter right now, but you can do that too. Just make sure to show some sort of something on the video, okay? And I will make sure to give you guys a subscriber shout out. So once again, shout out to you, boo. Now let's get into this hair. Alright, honey, so the unit that I am rocking was caught by me with my own coins. And you guys know when I cop a unit with my own coins, I like to give myself a little shout out. So go Chrissy, go Chrissy, go Chrissy for spending your coins, honey, on this unit. Alright, so the unit that I am rocking is by Sensationnel. And if you guys have been rocking with me for a while, you know how your girl feels about Sensationnel.
Sensational.
Okay, so this unit is from their Cloud 9 series, and this used to be my favorite series, y'all. If you, like I said, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you guys know I used to love this particular series. This is a Swiss lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber. I do have this wig in the style Chelsea, and it is in the color number 2. It is from the What Lace collection, and honey, I used to kill the what lace. Okay, I used to kill the what lace. It says HD lace, keep them guessing. It says keep them, but honey, I'm Southern, so I'm gonna keep them. Okay, keep them. It says hairline illusion lace wig. It is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees, so you can apply heat to this wig, as you guys should have seen me do. In the beginning portion of this video, I did use my hot comb and applied it to the unit, so you can use heat. So on the inside, it says, so natural, it can't be a wig. Keep them guessing when you wear what lace. It says, customized 100% hand-tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density. 13 by 6 ear-to-ear with 6-inch deep hand-tied, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline. Perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline. Pre-customized unit, protect the style, no leave out necessary. And then on the back, it has the special colors, and it shows the difference between regular lace or others, honey. Okay, they got detectable and undetectable. All right, so it's the shade. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the stock card. And if I'm not mistaken, the model is wearing a number 2 as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I want to say the model is wearing the color number 2. And on the inside, it is showing you customized lace and undetectable and all of that good stuff. And on the back, they're throwing their little shade, honey. Okay, so with this wig, honestly, it does come with baby hairs. I decided to not utilize them. I get people that love baby hairs, and I get people that absolutely are not a fan, honey. Okay, I get it. I get it, sis. I personally love baby hairs, but I am fine not wearing baby hairs. It just depends on my mood. I go with my mood, honey. It ain't. It don't matter to me. If I'm feeling baby hairs today, I'll do them. If I'm not, then I won't. That's just kind of how I kind of flow. But I get that there are some people who are totally against baby hairs, honey. You know, it's your wig. You do what you want to do. So this unit does come with baby hairs. I just decided not to use them. As far as the hairline, it did come pre-tweezed, but I think she could stand a little more. Okay, she could stand a little more tweezing, in my personal opinion. Now it is a 13x6, meaning that the parting does go all the way back here, but it stops. Let me see, honey. Like right here, you won't be able to do a super deep part. You know what I mean? The lace is ear to ear, but you can do a part from about on this side, honey. If it get any deeper, you really, I don't even know if that's a side part. I don't know what that's called. So you can do a left side part and a right side part, or you can wear it as it comes, which is basically a middle part, in my opinion. It just depends on what you want to do with your wig. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, now, honey, straight out of the packaging, I did not notice any any shedding. I did notice some tangling, and I did decide to use my silicone spray. Cynthia reminded me, like, girl, you bought this. Like, use it. So I did use that. So it makes it easier to kind of glide through the hair. I would personally recommend watching Gladys's video or Is That Your Hair video to get a more in-depth video about this spray. But she was the video that Cynthia recommended to me to watch, and that is why I purchased it. But it makes it easier to run your fingers through the hair, you know, if it's a more so tangly sort of wig. So it takes that sort of out of, you know, with synthetic wigs, are like, oh my God, it's gonna tangle. You know, if you use the spray, it makes it easier to kind of glide through it. So shout out to Is That Your Hair, and shout out to Cynthia, okay? To me. As far as this wig being big head friendly, I feel like this wig is sort of big head friendly. I did adjust the straps. I am an average cap size. So you kind of have to do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders. So I'm speculating. So honey, do with that what you want to do with it. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Now, if you're interested in what my pros and cons are with this wig, and if I would recommend it, as well as the full 360 and lint check, then honey, please continue to watch. Okay, so I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. So my cons with this wig is the lace seems a little light. It seems a little light. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is a little light in certain spots. And maybe I didn't put enough foundation underneath the wig, so maybe that's why that portion. But you can kind of see right in there. It's a little light. So you could probably just use whatever foundation you use on it, and maybe it'll take it away. But I am noticing that, and I keep just like getting my sponge and kind of pressing on it, and it may not be enough foundation on my sponge, but it's still, I just kind of want to throw that out there so you guys are aware of it. Also, I don't feel like it is as tweezed to perfection as I would like it. Like I think I done got used to Outre at this point, and I feel like their units are tweezed better in my opinion. So that may be a personal issue. You guys can let me know what you think down below in the comments, but those are my cons with this wig. Now, as far as my pros, honey, honestly, I feel like the pros are sort of endless, honey, okay? I feel like the pros are endless. This wig was a shocker to me. Like, I really like this wig. It is a lot of hair, but if you're looking for a good human hair dupe, I feel like this is it. Like, it is definitely giving me deep wave vibes, loose wave vibes. It is giving me all of the things. It is definitely serving human hair vibes, in my personal opinion, and it is super long. and it is less work. Okay, let's just keep it a whole buck, because once the wig is on your head, all you have to do is style it to how you want to style it. It don't take a whole lot, so that is always a plus for me. So those are my pros with this particular wig. All right, honey, so what I recommend her? Let me see how much she costs. Let me see how much she costs, because I think it's gonna depend on that. Okay, honey, so old girl is $58, honey. Okay, so, well, honestly, y'all, I think I would because it is a frontal. You know, a lot of these units I have been trying as of late, they have been just lace part wigs, and I'm like, how are you a lace part wig and you're $50? I'm confused, but at least this is a frontal wig. Like, this is a 13x6. You can part it elsewhere, and it is a lot of hair. So, you know, the syntheticals these days, they kind of up there. They kind of up there. So, I mean, it just depends. It depends on your budget. I do feel like you may be able to find another one that's a good dupe for this particular wig at probably a cheaper price that's not 13x6. Most of the time 13x6 units are expensive anyway, so it just kind of depends, girl. It just kind of depends on where you at. I personally would recommend it. I bought it, and I'm not mad that I bought it. So it just kind of depends on you, okay? I would recommend it, but it depends on you, and it depends on your budget and what you feel is worth it and what you don't feel like is worth it. So comment down below what you guys think. Do you think it is worth it? Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested. Alright, honey, let's do this full 360 so I can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. Inches, girl, inches. Look at this here. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Child, I'm trying to make sure you don't see my goodness, okay? Let me bring this hair back to the front. All right, y'all, so let me know down below what you guys think. Do you think old girl is worth it? Do you own this unit? How is it as far as longevity goes? Do you have the silicone spray? Does it work? You know, make this unit last longer? Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions. And once again, shout out to me for copping this unit. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, click the subscribe button so it's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Yeah. Bad little flex. She wanna